Level 1. Last night, you dreamed, and your brain built entire worlds while your body lay still. Why does your brain refuse to simply rest every single night? Look at this city. Above every rooftop, something invisible is happening. Inside a dream, nothing follows the rules of reality. Two realities, one skull, awake and dreaming at the exact same moment. Your brain doesn't stop at night. It works harder than ever. You felt a dream dissolve the moment you woke up, gone in seconds. Now imagine that same sky, but completely empty. No dreams at all. The morning after dreams disappear, something feels quietly, permanently missing. Standing under an empty sky is what a world without dreams would feel like. Scientists still find it stunning how a dreaming brain lights up like fireworks. One half of you is always awake. The other half is always dreaming. Inside a dream, even memory feels different. Soft, fluid, like water. Every human who ever lived, in every era, has dreamed. Always. During REM sleep, the brain doesn't slow down. It explodes with activity. Every memory, every emotion, all connected by threads inside a dreaming mind. One path is vivid and alive. The other is flat and empty. The difference between these two eyes, that's the entire point of this video. Without dreams, creativity itself seems to run completely dry. A question mark made of memory hangs over a world that doesn't know what it risks losing. Something about this question has already gotten under your skin. Every night, your sleeping mind quietly does something most people never understand. Level 2. 90 minutes after you fall asleep, your brain doesn't rest. It activates. Think of your brain as a library reorganized every single night while you sleep. Deep sleep is quiet. REM sleep is a full brain explosion of activity. One person wakes up sharp, one wakes up hollow. The difference is dreaming. Every difficult emotion you felt today gets processed tonight in your sleep. Dreams don't erase pain. They soften its sharpest edges by morning. People who dream properly are calmer, more patient, and far more resilient. Fear, joy, grief, anger, all sorted and filed while you sleep. Some of history's greatest ideas were born inside a dream, not by accident. Every night, your brain edits your entire day like a film reel. Dreaming makes you learn faster, remember more, and create better. The dreaming brain connects things. Logic never would. And that's where ideas are born. Human creativity itself may be a direct gift from the dreaming mind. After a night of dreaming, yesterday's pain feels smaller, more manageable. Your face cycles through every emotion while you sleep, quietly, invisibly. The brain during REM is a city that simply never sleeps. Learn something new, dream about it, and wake up better at it. That's real. A dream can hold your entire inner world, memory, fear, and meaning together. Every memory and emotion you have is maintained nightly inside your dreams. Even the smallest emotion tonight is quietly shaping who you become tomorrow. News like this would shock a world that has never questioned its own sleep. Take away the dream, and the whole system quietly starts to break down. So, what happens when the dreams stop completely? That's next, and it's worse than you think. Level 3. Day 1 without dreams. Something feels flat. You can't explain why. Breakfast conversation suddenly feels distant, like hearing it through glass. 1 week in, a classroom feels slower. Nobody knows why. Memories take longer to arrive. The mental library has lost its crew. The artist's blank canvas stays blank. The morning inspiration never comes. 1 month in, the city's colors feel quietly, invisibly duller. Comforting a friend now takes real effort. Empathy used to be automatic. A child stacks blocks in straight lines now. No stories, no imagination. Inside the brain, the memory library sits dusty and neglected. A couple eats dinner in silence, not knowing what quietly disappeared between them. An office full of people running completely on autopilot. A musician's fingers rest on the keys, but no melody ever comes. A museum's newest gallery is completely empty. Nothing new has been created in months. Anxiety no longer resets overnight. It just keeps building. Scientists find memory, creativity, and mood collapsing everywhere, in every country. You look in the mirror, and the light behind your own eyes feels dimmer. A child asks a creative question. The adult gives only a flat answer. Human innovation has quietly, completely stalled since the dreams disappeared. Even meditation can't reach the peace that dreaming once gave for free. The city at night looks the same, but everything feels flatter. You can't remember what dreaming even felt like anymore. Children play at the park, but nobody is pretending. Nobody is imagining. A scientist stares at new data late at night. This is only the beginning. Level 4. 6 months without dreams. Anxiety is now the default, every single morning. Therapy waiting rooms are overflowing. The nightly reset humans relied on is gone. Even therapy struggles to help, because the true cause is something conversation can't fix. Simple tasks like pouring coffee now feel harder than they should. People are breaking down in public, not from anything dramatic, just accumulated weight. Couples argue and can't explain why the feelings are suddenly so raw. A tiny frustration triggers a reaction far bigger than it should be. Unprocessed emotion is building behind a dam that was never meant to hold this much. A writer stares at blank pages, grieving a creative identity that quietly vanished. No new films, no new music. The world's culture has run out of fuel. Wide awake at 2 a.m., the brain now resists the very sleep it once craved. Doctors compare brain scans, and the difference is impossible to ignore. Nobody laughs spontaneously anymore. The humanity is quietly drained away. A child draws dreams from stories alone, because they've genuinely never had one. Trauma stays raw and unprocessed, exactly as sharp as the day it happened. Every nation reports the exact same decline. This is now a global emergency. People are functional, but the lights are on and nobody is truly home. Hope feels distant now, because the nightly emotional reset simply isn't there. Human imagination has faded to barely glowing embers. Old journals full of wonder now read like they belong to a stranger. A once-alive city has quietly become just a machine running on habit. Looking up at the stars now brings no wonder at all, just silence. A scientist stumbles back from their screen. If this continues, the damage may be permanent. Level 5. A scientist stands before world leaders, about to change what we thought we knew about being human. Every great leap in human history has a dream symbol standing quietly beside it. Species that dream survive longer and adapt better. Dreams are a survival tool. The brain doesn't dream by accident. It chooses to. And without it, it starts to break. Dreams are the nightly rehearsal that keeps every part of the brain in harmony. Without dreams, the brain builds unstable shortcuts just to survive. The web of human connection is fraying, one thread snapping at a time. Dreams are how your brain practices being human. Empathy, fear, love, all of it. A year without dreams, and the eyes in the mirror hold no depth at all. Human emotion fades from the edges inward. Wonder disappears first. A child asks what a dream feels like, and the adult has no words left to explain it. Scientists find a way to partially restore dreamlike states, the first light in the dark. The first fragment of a real dream in over a year, and everything changes on that face. Waking up, sitting quietly, feeling the echo of a dream for the first time in months. Color slowly returns to the world. Fragile, but undeniably real. One original line, written after a year of silence, means absolutely everything. The web of human connection begins slowly, painfully repairing itself. The brain, like a garden, begins finding its order again after long neglect. A real dream returns, strange, vivid, alive, and the sleeping face looks human again. Waking from that first true dream, something long lost quietly comes back to life. Across the city, color and laughter begin returning in small, fragile moments. A single original sentence, written by hand, becomes proof that the mind is healing. Standing under the stars again, and finally, quietly, feeling wonder return. A peaceful face, asleep, dreaming, fully and completely human once again. Tonight, when you close your eyes, you'll understand exactly why that matters.